Hi friends, now we will see how to make a purchase order in Finsys using the purchase and procurement module. Purchase order creation is one of the most important steps because here direct money is involved. You have to be very sure of the quantities being ordered, very sure of the rates being offered by the vendor and various terms and conditions which are of commercial in nature relating to freight, insurance, packing and other such things which are required to be mentioned on the purchase order for all safety of the buying party. Let us now see how a purchase order is created in Finsys. Please remember, we had made the approved price list in the previous video and we had also approved the purchase requisitions for which we are going to raise the purchase order in the previous videos that are made in this series. Let us now see how to make a purchase order. For a purchase order, what is required? Approved purchase requisitions, approved rate list and an approved vendor. Let us see how this is done. We go to the purchase module. First option is called general purchase order. We go to the general purchase order. We press new as always in Finsys. Select the type of the purchase order, whether it is a fixed quantity PO means we want to order a certain quantity, whether it is a job work PO. Job work means processing for production items done outside the factory. Service PO means some kind of service contract, security agency, chartered accountant, software, any such order. Conversion PO is a special category where buying unit of measurement and supplied unit of measurement are different. This happens especially in case of paper where buying is in kg and we need to keep stock in kg for sheet items. Then is a capital good PO where we make PO for large equipment, machinery, etc. and a bulk paper PO which is a special category PO for bulk buying from the mills directly or large volume orders made to the vendors. Let us do a fixed quantity PO for the approved PRs relating to office stationery that we had made earlier. We select this type. The system prompts you for a copy of an existing order. Then we choose a supplier. Suppose we choose United Stationery Suppliers. System prompts you, do you want to copy the existing terms and conditions? Now the approved PRs get prompted on my screen, clearly showing the indent number, indent date, item name, the department who has asked for the material, quantity which is indented and quantity which is balanced. Since it is the first time that we are making a purchase order, whole of the indented quantity is shown as a balance. We can order part of this quantity also or complete quantity also. Suppose we use the multi-select option of Finsys to select both of these items. Now what will happen is, since we have already chosen a vendor, the price list will be picked from the approved rate list of this vendor, making the job of the person making the purchase order very easy because he does not have to remember the prices. You simply press enter here and automatically all the details like HS code, the row amount, the PR quantity, the items on the purchase requisition, the narration for which they were asked for, the quantity, the price as per approved price list and the discount also has all been auto-filled and the calculation has been done and it is ready to release. We have to simply put in some terms and conditions of price basis, of delivery, whether you want to get it by air or by road, the delivery conditions, mode of payment, check, cash, credit card, currency, insurance conditions, test certificate if it's required for raw materials, freight and packing conditions. And that is about it. We can just see this PO, save it now. It will allow to save easily. We can also see the print preview of this purchase order. Here it is. In exactly the GST format that is required, the complete PO is saved in front of us. Here it is with all the details. So how much time did it take? Practically nothing, because the PR gave me the item and quantity, the approved price list gave me the rates and calculation done by Finsys. So I just had to press the save button and my PO is ready. So fast. That's good, na? It increases efficiency, reduces chances of mistakes, makes the life of the purchase order creator very easy. Thank you.